Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI.
I have found my new favorite go-to heels. These are 9 West Cara high heels, and I tell you, they are awesome. I love them so much. I feel like they can really go with any outfit and very versatile. And one of the most important thing is they're comfortable. When you wear them, your feet aren't going to instantly hurt. It has a nice block heel that gives you that support for your feet. I just love the way they look with wide leg pants. They look really elegant and fashionable and really elevating your look. I even like these with jeans. It's a nice way to upgrade your look and look really stylish and cute. This is about a 3-inch heel, so it's pretty comfortable, not too high, but it's still a little lift. I also love it is a suede, so it looks really nice with so many different textures. I wore this with a dress, with a skirt, with jeans, and it matches all of those occasions. These are my favorite new shoes, and I hope you love them as much as I have.
And that's my point of view.